Hey guys, today we are unboxing a unique and cool design product, so let's get started. The Divoom Times Gate. Creative pixel art playground, easily customized digital pixel clock with personalized pixel art and animations. The box comes with the device, a USB Type-C cable, and a user manual. A cool mechanical design. The box is well designed and it feels nice in the hands. It's connected by Wi-Fi and also supports Alexa and IFTTT. Smart Life Assistant, controlled by Divoom Smart App, featuring world clock, real-time weather, and task management. Visually stunning, 5 full-color LCD pixel displays, with vibrant 128 by 128 pixel art and animated GIFs. It shows real-time subscriber numbers of your social media, financial market trends, live stream viewers, gaming scores, etc. You can easily customize the screens from the Divoom app. The app features many animated GIFs and you can also set up your customized designs. Dual-edge ambient light, with 12 customizable effects for a vibrant gaming atmosphere. The LED lights looks awesome. It can be controlled by the app, or you can also change the lights with the button on the top. Smart data dials for insights into virtual social performance and game data. The bottom pieces are detachable. Thanks for watching.